Hey, this is Ross from Protect Epoxy Floors, Port Richey, Florida. Today we're in Port Richey down at Gulf Harbors. Beautiful day down here. This job is for a repeat customer. They just recently moved into this house. They're literally down the street. So we had done a job for them previously, and then they wanted us to come on out and do this garage. So this is a 2.5 car garage. What we're gonna have to do is get this carpet off these stairs. Gonna include the stairs in the job, which definitely should have been done because it is going to look very nice. So we got a couple extras in this garage. We'll figure this out as we go along. There's a ramp here for some reason. We've got to figure that out. And before we put these baseboards in, we're going to have to fill those gaps. But anyway, we got 2 days to do the job. And we're going to get started in just a few minutes. Going to clean up this lead-in edge. I can talk to the homeowner if he wants the apron done or not. We'll figure that out too. So, we're ready to get started. This segment shows sometimes what you have to do to get a job done. There was a copious amount of carpet glue on these stairs after removing the carpet. So it's taken us a minute to get that off of there. Here was a fixture that was on the floor. What Laura's doing now is she's cutting back the bolts. She's going to cut it back tight. Then we're going to sink them below grade. And then we're going to cover them up and then you won't even know they're there. Okay, so our grind prep and repairs are complete. We're ready to put this floor now in along with the baseboard and the stairs. So normally a project like this is 2 days, but there were a lot of extras that went into this floor that were unforeseen. You know, as you can see along the baseboard, patching, etc. But there was also a termite plate that we had to remove. Getting the carpet off the stairs was more involved than we initially anticipated. We can't do it with chemicals because we don't know how it's going to interact with the epoxy. But as you can see, the carpet is off, the glue is removed. So this job is for a repeat customer. And he's also sent us some referrals. So when we spoke to him about making it a 3-day job, he understood perfectly, he wasn't worried about it. He just said, I don't want to rush the job, I'd rather do the job the right way. And he perfectly understood that. I mean, like here's an example here. For some reason, even with the garage door rails, as you can see here, this rail was in a well. And this one was not. So we cut away the concrete and we made it so that the door would actually close square now, because the door's a little cattywampus because one side was higher than the other. But we're looking good in here and we're going to put this in now and excited to see it finally. Okay, here we are. We're in our 2.5 car garage with optional baseboards, apron, and stairs. So we just finished putting on the UV stable polyaspartic top coat. It's still laying down. It still has to even out as it cures. You can see it really looks great. So there was a lot of things that needed to be addressed in this garage, but it took a lot of extra prep. So this is for a repeat customer. we did their other house, then they moved here. And they have us back out. And they've sent us a couple referrals over the years. This color is Coyote. It's not the sun, but come over here in the light so you get a better idea what it looks like. It's a very popular color. Customer is happy. That makes us happy. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, New Port Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.